Hi guys, and welcome to Crushit. Today we have a bunch of paintballs. I'm going to arrange them in a triangle on there, put a metal plate over them, and then we'll crush it. I've put duct tape underneath to hold them in place. I've put the steel plate on. Now let's crush it. Let's take a look. It just like oozed out of the side. One escaped there, but look at that. Look at that shape though. A triangle of squash paintballs. That's a pretty cool pattern right there. This will connect to the duct tape. Ah, look at that. So the duct tape back. We've got a bit of cleaning up to do now. And yeah, so that is what happens when you crush paintballs with a hydraulic press. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.